Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up FTP in Windows 10 operating system. So let us start. First of all, create a folder on desktop or, any other location you want to create, but I want to create here, and name it whatever you want. I will name it FTP underscore server. Now this is a folder here. Now we have to install FTP on your Windows 10 operating system if you don't have installed. Let us see whether we have installed FTP or not. Here you have to search control panel and click here control panel. Here you can see programs. Click here, and now programs and features. Click here, and now you will see here this turn Windows features on or off. Click here, and you can see here FTP has been installed or not. It's in the IIS Internet Information Services. Expand this plus sign, and you will see that FTP server is not installed in this Windows 10 operating system. Expand this and click here and click here, and we can install these as well if you want to. I will install both of these. It will install all the features of FTP and IIS. Keep it as it is. Now click here OK. Now it will take some time to install. Now the FTP has been installed. Now here click close. Now we have to go to the control panel again. Here you can see the administrative tools. Click here, and now in administrative tools you will see Internet Information Service Manager. Double click on it, and here you will see the sites. A default website has been already installed on it, but we will install the new one. Here you can click on sites, right click on it, and click here add FTP site, and you can now name it whatever you want. I will name it way to will, and the physical path will be the folder we have already created at desktop. Here you can see the desktop, and you will see here FTP server. Click here OK, and now click next. Here you have to enter the IP address of this computer, and if you don't know the IP address of this computer, you can search it by using this command. First of all, you have to go to the command prompt, cmd, and command enter. Write down here ipconfig. Here you will see the IP address. Right now I am connected with my Wi-Fi, and the IP address will be this. Highlight this and click Ctrl C, and now you can assign the same IP address here, Ctrl V. Now here it will ask for SSL, but we don't have SSL here. Click here no SSL, and now click next, and here you will click basic, and the authorization allowed access will be for specified users. For example, we will write down here the username, that will be way to will. We will create another one with the name way to will user. Click here read and write. Check both of these boxes, and click finish. Now we will go again to the control panel. Here you will see the firewall, Windows Defender and firewall. Click here. Now turn off both of these for some time so that we can configure the FTP. Till now we will click here, turn off this, and here you will see allow app or features through Windows Defender firewall. Click here, and here we will allow FTP. Here you can see FTP server. Check this box, both public and private. Now this will not restrict over FTP traffic, so this will allow over traffic. Click here OK. Now we can create another user with a name called way2will, which we have earlier given in the configuration. Click here local users and groups. Now here users, create here new user with the same name way2will, and enter here password. And click here password never expires, and now create, and click here close. Click here close. Now go to the IIS manager. Now click here way2will, and now you have to create here FTP authorization. Double click on it, and you will see that way2will is on allowed mode with the permission read and write. Now here you can right click on it and click add allow rule, and click here specified user. Right here another user that is called FTP underscore user, both read and write permission, and click OK. Now the two users we have right now, which is allowed for FTP traffic, and click here minimize, and here you can see the folder FTP server. Right click on it, properties, and sharing, and now you can click here advanced sharing. Share this folder, and permission will be both allow. Now add the here FTP. We have to create another one because it is not available there. Local users and groups, and create here another user called FTP user, FTP underscore user, and password. Click here create, close. Now you can check names here. Yes, it's available there. Click OK and allow, and now you can click OK, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now we can go to our favorite browser where we can test whether it's working or not. Right here FTP :/192.168.29.46. This is the IP address of this computer which we have earlier given in the IIS. So enter here. Now this will ask here FTP username and password. I have already given this. Click here OK. Now here it shows the list of the directory and files, you can see. Now this is how you can set up FTP on your Windows 10 operating system, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.